Can you come and sit down a minute? I do need to talk. No, I need to get this off my chest now. It's just not working out. And it's not you, it's me. Actually, it's you. You keep damaging my car. No, of course there's nobody else. Welcome back, I hope you're well. This is a quick video where we are going to discuss sponges, yes sponges, and why you shouldn't use one to wash your vehicle. Aimed at someone who wants to get into car care and they want to learn how to clean the vehicle without causing any damage. First of all, sponges are great for absorbing water in the shampoo that you may be using. However, they're not so great for absorbing dirt or debris. In fact, any dirt or debris that the sponge comes across will actually attach itself to the surface of the sponge, which can potentially be dragged around your vehicle's paintwork as you clean, resulting in micro scratching. Micro scratching and swirls will tend to stand out more on darker vehicles or when in direct light, for instance the sun. May not be visible instantly, but will become more prominent the more you wash your vehicle. No matter how thorough your pre-wash was, there's still a risk that you might have missed some dirt or debris, which potentially may attach to your sponge, therefore causing the damage. Although sponges may seem relatively soft to touch, the material is actually quite abrasive, hence why they're such good things to use around the house, for instance washing the pots or wiping worktops down. The abrasiveness helps remove the dirt. For me, is too abrasive to be using on your delicate paintwork. What I do recommend is that you invest in a microfiber mitt. These are super soft and they still absorb the water and shampoo as good as a sponge. If you happen to come across any dirt or debris that you've missed from the pre-wash, then the fibers of the mitt absorb the dirt and suck it away from the surface to make it a lot safer to use and give you peace of mind. So although you may feel you're getting a bargain from your sponge that you bought from your local supermarket, you could be causing long-term, expensive to repair damage to the paintwork of your vehicle. Also, what's kind of irritating is that when you go into your supermarket or any type of store that sells car care products, you'll find a range of sponges to buy. I hope this video has been useful, and if you want to see more of this type of video, or if you've got any ideas of videos that you want me to do in the future, please let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out more than you know. And until the next one, bye.